Welcome to our channel. The 2025 Newmar Dutch Star is redefining luxury travel with cutting-edge technology, premium craftsmanship, and innovative features. Built on the reliable Freightliner or Spartan chassis, this Class A diesel motorhome is designed for those who demand excellence in every journey. On the outside, the Dutch Star impresses with a sleek full-paint masterpiece finish, exclusive to Newmar, ensuring a head-turning presence on the road. Integrated LED lighting, power awnings, and ample basement storage make it both functional and visually stunning. The improved chassis design offers a smoother ride, and the Comfort Drive steering system provides an effortless driving experience. Stepping inside, you are welcomed by a spacious and beautifully designed interior. The high-end finishes, including handcrafted hardwood cabinetry and polished porcelain tile flooring, elevate the experience. The state-of-the-art cockpit features a digital dash with a large touch-screen display, wireless charging, and an upgraded sound system for a seamless driving experience. The living area is designed for maximum comfort and convenience. Premium furniture, including power reclining theater seats and a luxurious sofa, creates a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. The entertainment system includes a large 4K smart TV, a Bose soundbar, and satellite connectivity, making it easy to enjoy your favorite content on the go. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with a residential-sized refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and solid surface countertops. The soft close cabinetry provides ample storage, and the stylish backsplash adds a modern touch. Whether preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, the Dutch Star's kitchen makes cooking effortless. The master bedroom is designed to be a personal retreat, featuring a king-size sleep number mattress, decorative accent lighting, and ample wardrobe space. The ensuite bathroom boasts a large tiled shower with a glass door, a dual sink vanity, and a spacious closet with washer and dryer prep, adding to the home-like convenience. Safety and technology are top priorities in the 2025 Dutch Star. The latest driver assist features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras, provide peace of mind. Smart home automation lets you control lighting, temperature, and security features through a mobile app, ensuring ultimate convenience. With multiple floor plans to choose from, the 2025 Newmar Dutch Star offers customization options to suit every lifestyle. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this motorhome delivers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and performance. Experience the future of motorhome travel with the 2025 Newmar Dutch Star, where every detail is designed to enhance your journey.